Hey, what's up guys? It's JTR here, and today we're going to be unboxing an entry-level smartphone from Cherry Mobile, which was launched last month around September, mid of September if I'm not mistaken. And I was really intrigued because the last smartphone I've used from them was actually a Cherry Mobile Flare 3, if I'm not mistaken. And it's been a while since I've seen a really compelling device or a really value-centric device for the price that you're paying. And I went ahead and ordered one up from Lazada.com or Lazada, and then we're gonna go ahead and take a look at what's inside the box. Slip the box out. And there you go. So this is the Cherry Mobile Flare 8, and they are touting it as the game changer, which on spec sheet alone I think is a very good argument. At the back you can see the features of the phone. It has Android 9 Pie, although I don't think they have stock Android installed here. You have an octa-core 2 GHz processor, which is the MediaTek P something. I forgot the exact spec. Let me go ahead and take a look into that. Let's see, you have an octa-core P23 processor inside. You have 32 gigs of internal storage, 3 gigabytes of RAM, a combination of 13 plus 2 megapixels cameras at the back, 6.2 HD plus True View IPS teardrop display panel at the front, and a fingerprint sensor at the back. You also have 2,800 mAh battery, which I don't think it's a lot, and support for micro SD card for up to 128 gigs. So pretty beefy spec, and you're only getting this for about, well, a peso below 4,000. So that's approximately, what, 80 bucks? 80 bucks if I'm not mistaken, somewhere around that corner. So you can go ahead and pull out the box. Within a box, it's a boxception, something like that. Let's go ahead and do that. It's quite, yeah, the way you put this box, it's really, okay, tightened there. So let's set this aside for now. Go ahead and put it there. And there you go, that's the phone right there. And I got the blue color, I think, because I already forgot that it's been a while. Oh, there, that's it's quite hefty though. So this is the phone, and the specs are at the front again, as you can see, although there's a little bit of bubbling from the specs sticker that they stuck here. What can I say about the device? Man, it feels premium for her price. You can tell it's plastic, and it's quite hefty, but it's not something that if you hand me this phone, I'm not gonna think it's gonna cost you just for 1,000. I think it's gonna be around maybe 7 or 10,000 pesos, or maybe $20 or more. Let's go ahead and peel this off to see, and let's put up the device, and let's go ahead and check what's. We'll peel this off and put the device up, and then we'll see what else is inside the box. So let's go ahead and do that. Here's your magical peeling session. Alright, cool. Stuck that there. So let's put the phone here for now, and then let's take a look at what else is in the box. So you have your one-page manual, I think. Yeah, it's like a quick start guide. Everything's already here. And then you also have, let's see, the bottom side of the box. Let's pull this off. Paperworks, which nobody reads, but sure. So let's set that aside for now. The good part about this device is that you also get a free case. It's a silicone jelly case, a transparent one, but it's actually so good. Like, why? It baffles me why phones that are really on the cheap, why do they get cases, whereas if you purchase phones that are really on a higher tier or mid-tier, you don't get anything. Sometimes they don't even have a charger. So it's so nice that Cherry Mobile has included this out of the box. You have a wall charger here that's rated, I'm not really sure if you guys can see this, but go and take a look. 1.2 amps, 5 volts, not the fastest charger in the world. It's what year is it? But yeah, it's better than not having any charger out of the box. Then you also have your micro USB cable. So just want to let you guys know, this is the base of the models of the S8 series. So this is the cheapest, or sorry, this is the most affordable one, and it doesn't have any Type-C or whatnot, none of the fancy stuff. So you only get a micro USB cable out of the box. Put that there, that aside, and you also get earbuds. Nice. Okay, so let's take a look at the device right now. So at the back, you get this glossy color, very similar to the design language that Huawei phones actually initiated or started, the Aurora glossy design thing. I picked up the blue and black combination. I forgot what's the color name for this, but at the back you can actually see the combination of two cameras, the 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel camera, a fingerprint scanner. It's a capacitive one, a very simple Cherry Mobile brand right here. At the right side, you actually get the tray for SIM, and nothing else is here. At the top, you have your 3.5mm headset jack and the charging port, which I haven't seen for a while. You know, manufacturers putting charging port at the top. At the bottom, you have your speaker grill, and I am assuming that this should be the mic. And on the left side, you have your volume and the power key, or power button. And at the front, you have your 6.2 HD plus screen. Let's go ahead and power the phone up. Let's see. Okay, powered by Android. It's good thing to know it has a battery. So I'll go ahead and put everything else inside the box. I think this is a lot of items here. So there you go. That's the iconic sound of Cherry Mobile. If you'd asked me, for now, I think holding the phone and seeing what's inside the box, knowing what the price of the phone is, it's a very good deal. If you're looking for an entry to the Android world, this is probably a good start if you're very cautious about your budget. Okay, not that ringtone. It says no SIM card. So I'm gonna use this as my daily driver. Let's try navigating. Whoa, that's a little bit of a stutter right there. So far it's feeling great. I mean, there's a little bit of a stutter, but it's fluid overall. So let me go ahead and check if it really is running Android 9, or sorry, what version of Android 9. I'm pretty sure, or I hope there's some sort of update. So it's out of the box. It has Android 9 with July 5, 2019 security patch. And then it says that it has 32 gigs of storage. We've got to take a look. How much do we have? Out of the box, you can still use about 27. Let me go back here. Yeah, 26.48 gigabytes of free storage. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the default apps that are in here. So knowing that we have about 26 gigs of storage left, we want to find out if they're actually adding any bloat here. Knowing Cherry Mobile or the past phones I've used from Cherry had a lot of bloat to them. Let's take a look at the default launcher. The launcher looks very stock Android though, but let me see if I can get. Oh no, it's not. It's definitely not a stock launcher, or so I think. So by default, you get the plethora of Google apps that are installed here. You get Google, Gmail, Maps, YouTube, Drive, Play Music, Play Movies, and Photos. You also have Google Duo, Play Store, Chrome, High Weather. This also has FM radio and a bunch of other things that are here. Themes, which is good. I'm not sure what the extent of theme customization here. It might be just wallpaper or font. I hope it can change the UI, but then you also have Game Booster. This is the only other bloat that Power Management. Oh no, that's a bit strange. Power Manager to make. Okay, let's go. I don't want you to do that. I just want you to. Okay, never mind. The camera interface. Here you go. It's. What can I say? Take a shot. So you have your the new interface for camera is pretty much what's applied here. So you have you can swipe left to right to switch different modes. You have face, cute, and beauty. Not sure why, but you also have your bokeh, photo, video. So there, that's about it, guys. That's the Cherry Mobile Flare S8. Initial impression that I have here is that it's a good value for what you're getting. This is a really premium looking device. I wouldn't really expect this to be, like if I first see it, I wouldn't think that it's sub 4,000. You have slight of a thick bezel at the top side, especially at the bottom. I'll go ahead and zoom that in so you guys can see. Whoa, that's thick. That's really a thick bezel right there. But for the prices you're paying, I'm not really gonna complain. Like, you probably give this phone to your mom, or probably to a relative that you have that's not really into tech and just want to experience the Android ecosystem. You can give this phone and they'll be happy about it. And I'll go ahead and put my SIM card here, test this for at least a month. So let me know, guys, if you have any questions about the device, or if there's anything that you want me to test, and I'll make sure to respond to you guys. Thank you for watching this initial unboxing, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.